3 tips to be rich in 2023. 1. Focus on developing a particular skill and becoming the best at it to earn considerable rewards. This could be done through taking courses, attending workshops, or getting a mentor. By becoming an expert in a particular field, you can charge higher rates for your services and stand out from the competition. 2. Invest in aggressive investing or start a digital company. Aggressive investing involves taking on higher risks in the hopes of earning higher returns. Starting a digital company can be a lucrative venture, particularly if you can identify a niche in the market and offer a unique product or service. 3. Allocate your income wisely by following the 50/30/20 rule. Allocate 50% of your income towards necessities like rent and groceries, 30% towards wants like dining out and entertainment, and 20% towards savings and investments. This will help you save money and build wealth over time.